Sit back down. Why are you holding your breath now? You got exactly what you wanted. Come on. Sit down. Stop holding. No holding your breath. Breathe. Take the fork. Come on. Breathe. Breathe. Okay? Come on. I'll poke you every time. Stop holding your breath. Come on. Pick up the chicken. Pick up the fork. Pick up the fork. Let's go. Come on. No. No more strawberries. Come on. Let's go. Breathe. In your mouth. In your mouth, please. Come on. Good job. Thank you. And you're yumming it, so you obviously like it. So why the fight? Right. Exactly.